Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a delicious mutton curry recipe. So let's get started. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of black peppercorns, half teaspoon fennel seeds, dry roast it for 2 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, and half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Then switch off the flame. Make sure not to burn the spices. Now I've taken half kg mutton. Add 1 large onion sliced and 5 to 6 shallots. It gives more taste to the curry, so make sure to add it. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add the required amount of salt and give it a good mix. Then add 1 glass of water and pressure cook it for 6 to 7 whistles. Now we can grind the masala powder that we have roasted. And now we can make ginger garlic paste and keep aside. Now take a pan and add a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil. Add the ginger garlic paste and also the masala powder that we have prepared. Adding this honestly makes a difference. Now add the tomatoes and cook it until it is soft. To this we are going to add the cooked mutton. Let's cook it for another 10 minutes. At this stage, sprinkle some salt if necessary. Now for the tempering, add coconut oil, few curry leaves and 2 green chillies. Definitely try this as it gives more taste to the gravy. Absolutely tender. Look at the depth of the color and flavor we have got here. Absolutely fantastic. And now the curry is ready.